Alrighty, hey guys, welcome to this lecture where we're gonna be doing the bottom neck fur over here. Sweet, let's jump into this. Same process, go to the particles, properties tab, click the plus sign, moving right quick, double tap, change that to bottom, should I spell that? Neck, highlight everything, copy, press enter. Select this guy, paste, enter, go back to the modifiers, select this, paste, enter, close that, go back to the particle system, change this to hair, go right down to the vertex groups and choose where you want our hair to go. The last one, the last vertex group, the bottom here, makes sense, very nice. Change that length, go back to the emission, change this bad boy to 0.5. I'm good at this. I'm not good. 0.3. Now I'm good. No, 0.3, not 0.4. Yeah, that sounds very nice. Looks very interesting. Change this to 500. Now we're talking. Once we got that, let's put this in tabulate. That's fine. Go to the particles, edit tab. First things first, I'm going to decrease the length over here because I can. Don't ask me why. Just joking. So just give it that design. So over here it's going to be way longer than ever before. Probably here, but just shrinking those guys down. And also over here. That's alright. Now I'll grab the comb brush. Sure, we have symmetry turned on, which doesn't work perfectly, but it's there. And then just combing these flat out. And then I'm gonna grab the cut brush to cut this here. I don't need them here. I need nothing growing this side. Sounds fair, looks fair. Go back to the comb brush. Looks about right. Sweet. And also on this side. Just give it that look. Just gonna twist and turn these guys. Probably need a smooth brush to help me, and the comb brush. Looking at it in all angles kind of helps. Then I'm gonna grab the puff brush, my favorite. Just picking up these ones at the center. Like that. Puff that up a bit. I kind of went overboard here. Got too carried away. Yeah, that's alright. Probably a smooth one. Not again. I think that's right. Yep. It works. Just creating some variation over here. Not just make it uniform totally. Some of them will be intersecting there. Sweet. Just pushing these down. I like the object mode. Look at those children. Wow. Incredible. Probably adjust my vertex paint If I want to, go to wet painting, select the bottom neck. Kind of froze for a second there. Sorry about that. And we have the draw brush, which we're gonna give some weight. Add more hair going here. And decrease the weight. No, not there. Over here. Then we'll grab the blur brush, which this will serve a lot of justice. Just blurring everything like so. Go back to object mode, looking very, very nice. Sweet, now we're done with that. And again, thank you guys for your time. See you guys in the next one.